Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Dr. Misbah Yusuf. Today video is about the use of vitamin E capsule for your glowing skin. Believe me, vitamin E capsule is a natural booster of your skin growth because it increases collagen production and increase your glow in the skin. Today I am sharing my secret recipes with you to achieve supple and glowing skin. First is vitamin E glow mask. Believe me, this mask is game changer. First you have to grab vitamin E capsule. It is available on any medical store and very cheap price. All you have to done is to pierce the capsule with a clean needle and draw the oil in the capsule in a clean bowl. Then add honey in a bowl. Honey is very naturally hydrating ingredient. It also contains the antibacterial properties. If you have any infection on your face, it reduces the infection on your skin. And add the 2 tablespoons of the yogurt. Yogurt contains the lactic acid and exfoliate your skin and glow up your skin. Then mix these ingredients and apply on your face for 15 minutes. Please notice avoid the under eye skin area which is very sensitive. This is a time you can use a mobile or simply relax. After the time is over and the mask is dry, you can wash it with the lukewarm water and you will be amazed by the result with only one wash. Because vitamin E boosts your collagen production and your skin look younger than before. This recipe is about vitamin E and aloe vera gel if you want the overnight glow. Because aloe vera gel is deeply moisturizing and soothes your skin. All you have to done to extract the oil from vitamin E and then add your any favorite aloe vera gel and make a mixture. Make sure that aloe vera gel is purely natural and it is free of any fragrance and color because we have to apply the recipe overnight, and if there is any fragrance or any flavor added to the aloe vera gel, it may irritate your skin. Apply this mixture on your face and allow it to stand for overnight. In the morning, you will wash it with lukewarm water and you will notice that your skin is baby soft and extremely supple. Believe me, if you have a dry and scaly skin in the winter and your skin is very dull, you will try this mask in 2 days. You will see the result and you will be amazed by the result because your skin will so soft. Recipe is about the use of vitamin E in your naturally made scrub at home. If you're traveling and the dust and dirt particle damages your skin and your skin look dull, then you made the scrub at home. To give a natural glow to your skin, all you need is the finely granulated sugar. Make sure that sugar is finely grinded. There is not the large grains of the sugar, and then add the vitamin E capsule and any oil you will like. I personally recommend you castor oil because castor oil deeply hydrate your skin and it's very hydrating for your skin. Then add 1 or 2 vitamin E capsule in the mixture and make a paste and gently apply on your face and hands and the scrub gently. Sugar is a great exfoliator. It exfoliates your skin and clean your skin and you will be amazed by the result. So when you are scrubbing your face, use gentle hands on your face because it will destroy your natural skin cells and it will end up in damage. So please use the gentle hand on your skin. After you are done with the scrub, wash your face and hands with lukewarm water and you will notice your skin transform in 7 days. So these are the 3 recipes to use vitamin E in your skincare routine. Before using vitamin E in your skincare, your skin sensitivity for vitamin E, all you have to done is to apply a vitamin E in the patch of the skin and leave it for 24 hours. If you notice any redness, then you cannot use vitamin E capsule in your skincare. You will love the recipes and share your feedback in the comment below.